इतना सफर कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी ये एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone for joining us today for our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. Franchise India is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, which is helping day in, day out all the investors in getting the business solutions and suggestions from us. We have our reach and presence in 80 plus cities with 275 business consultant. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have helped more than 5,000 international brands to expand their business with our pan-India offices. With this introduction, may I invite and welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. During the webinar, they'll be sharing their insights, their viewpoints about the industry, about the selection of the right franchise with each one of us. We also welcome and invite the brand of the day, and we invite Mr. Pramod from the Pharma World. Pharma World, they already having presence in 11 cities. It's a leading medical chain and its first online medical equipment store also. Thank you so much, Pramod, for joining in. But before we formally start the presentation of the Pharma World, I would like to invite Sonia ma'am for the session.
Very good afternoon, friends who have joined today's webinar, and welcome Pramodji for coming on today's Business Opportunity Over Chai. And friends, Investor Advantage is a program which any investor who's looking at buying a business can reach out. And through this program, we give you guided solutions and personalized assistance to every investor who wants to buy a business. And there is a detailed due diligence that we do behind every investment decision that one wants to make. And हमारा जो assessment होता है, that is taking into consideration 5 important assessment tools where we work with you to do your own self-assessment as an entrepreneur, your skills, your traits, your risk appetite, and the challenges that you can take. Second, we also work with you to do the market assessment. जिस market में आप खोलना चाहते हैं, we work with you to give in-depth industry analysis. Fourth, we also do a very detailed peer-to-peer competitive analysis of brand, both at the national level and at the regional level. And lastly, we also work with you to do a brand diagnostic. So ये 5 चीजें हैं which we take into consideration when we advise you through the Investor Advantage program. And कोई भी investor जो ये personalized assistance या guidance चाहता है, they can register with us. And this registration is valid for a period starting from 6 months to 1 year. And at the same time, I must also add, apart from this registration, we are also now doing a lot of no obligation sessions. हर रोज हमारे 30 से 40 investors को हम advise करते हैं. These are brainstorming sessions which come without any obligation, where you can discuss and block maybe 30 minutes of Zoom session with any of our independent franchise consultants across India, or even with our senior leadership team, including management, which includes myself and Mr. Gaurav Mare, who's chairman of the Franchise India Group. And friends, and before I proceed the further on this, I will also now give you this, maybe a brief on one of the events that we're launching. This is Bharat Show. This is the first time ever Franchise India or any company across the world would have launched an event which is 100 Cities Show. ये back to back 100 cities के हमारे shows होंगे. एवरी कंसेक्यूटिव डे, हर रोज ये इवेंट होगा, आपके सिटी में आएगा, और हम 5 से 6 अपॉर्चुनिटीज विच आर यूनिक, और हम कोशिश करेंगे हम कोई भी कैटेगरी रिपीट नहीं करेंगे उस पर्टिकुलर शो में. सो ये 5-6 जो कैटेगरीज होंगी यूनिक होंगी, कोई डुप्लीकेशन नहीं होगा, एंड दीज कैटेगरीज वुड बी रेलेवेंट फॉर दैट सिटी और क्लस्टर दैट वी आर ब्रिंगिंग इन. सो ये 100 दिन का शो है, 100 सिटीज में जाएगा. 1 जून से हम शुरू कर रहे हैं. And you will also this is while not everybody can, maybe if you want to take a picture of that you can. So ये हमारा सिटी का कैलेंडर है, and you can find this calendar also on the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands along with the link. This is a complimentary link for every investor. अगर आप करना चाहते हैं, you can find your city which is listed here, and आप सिटी के हिसाब से you can register yourself on that link. So without taking more time, I will now request Ashna if we can have Pramod ji presenting the business opportunity to all our investors who've come in today. Over
Sure.
to you.
Sure. So thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for starting the webinar. And we would like to now invite Pramod sir, who will be talking about his initiative about the pharma world. But sir, before I formally start the presentation, would you like to start with your journey?
Sure. Thank you, Sonia ma'am and Archana. And thank you all of you who have joined this fabulous webinar. About my journey, it started literally in year 2000 with a range of where I saw there is a gap between the supply chain from the manufacturer to the actual user, who was the practitioner. And I started this journey in serving the pathologists and laboratories and hospitals, which mainly into the diagnostics. So there I found that there were much gaps in between that. So one by one, I started experiencing the gaps, discovering the gaps, and fulfilling those criterias. And I was very successful in this business. And since then, day by day, month by month, I done the changes into the business. And it was year 2008 when we started corporates and government business. So from then we never looked back. And in the year 2014, we came up with the brand Microsid. So this was registered, and we started importing the materials and exports. And in the year 2014, we also launched our e-commerce portal, which was the India's first medical equipment e-commerce portal. So from then, there are many numbers which are countless now, you can see. And since 2016, we started into the franchising. And right now we have around 11 franchises of Microsid. And since last year, since the boom of this pandemic, COVID, there was literally a gap. There was an enormous gap. It is not a small gap. It was an enormous gap between the supply system, the production, and the product, and the consumer, and the practitioner. So we literally reached there, and with the competitive pricing, with the efficient supply chain, thanks to all my supply chain partners like FedEx, Blue Dart, Delivery, all these guys supported us very much, and we were able to ship approximately 27,000 shipments in the period of April and May. And this pandemic, it was again highly tragic, like and the product were very different. Like most of the people were asking for oxygens. So oxygen related products were not manufactured in India. So we had to import. And yeah, even in just few days, we were managed to import approximately 445 oxygen concentrators and supplied in the market, and more than 255 BiPAP machines, and enormous oxygen tubings and cylinders. So this was where, and this pandemic, we received approximately 11,000 plus orders till date, and most of everything is supplied within 24 to 48 hours. So this was the whole scenario from the year 2000 till today. And again, happy to say that we were able to launch our new store in Hyderabad last week in this pandemic, and store is doing awesome.
So thank you so much, sir, for starting your journey with us. Now we'll have a presentation. Just let me know when to go next. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. So, as I said about my journey and the product and the brand, so this is Pharma World, and we proudly say India ki apni pharmacy. It is not another thing. It is apni pharmacy, because it's your pharmacy, it is my pharmacy, and it's everyone's pharmacy. So right now we are the India's leading medical supply chain, and proud to be first Indian online medical equipment store, dedicatedly medical equipment store. So we focus locally into these systems, and hence we are inviting the franchises. We have excellent portfolio in the products. We have the product range of more than 20,000 SKUs in the pharmacy, and more than 2,000 plus SKUs in medical equipments and consumables. So, and again, we have very good backend team who is supporting into the digital marketing. So, and right now we have wide portfolio where you can focus on B2B and B2C, which will give you highest number of customers, where you will not miss any kind of customers, smallest to the biggest. And right now we are working 24/7 for the online orders. And in the daytimes, it depends again on like what the module you take. You take 24 hours module, or you take uh, a 12 hours module. It depends on you. So we can have next. Okay, so this is again an overview about Microsit India. Pharma World, which is having a significant 20 years of the experience and legacy, which has been with the 47,000 customers right now, and more than 3,400 plus corporate customers, including the biggest. Right now, I cannot disclose the names of those corporates because it is out of the ethics. And here we have designed much over the module, because the in this market, pharma services are most important, diagnostic services are more important, and uh, equipment and disposables, which are meant for day-to-day business. So we can have a change. So what a franchise will get? It is a common question between every investor, like, what is there for me? Your company may be big, but what is there for me? So it is earn big profit. Like, ki, everyone knows ki this is the only market uh, which is connected with medicine, medical equipment, consumables. Even each and every business has been down in the last 2 years, but medical equipment and medical pharmacies and consumables have done very well. Like even Microsit India has seen the growth of more than 200% over last year, and this time we have reached 400 plus percent. Just our business main went by April and May, we have done 400% already compared to last year. So healthcare business is a business where businessman will get the respect equal to the profit, and it is high profit. It is not low profit, it is very high profit. Even if you go with a cutthroat competition, you are going to get ultimate margin. So again, it is a great service of humanity. So right now, India is the sixth uh, healthcare market, because we are 150 crore in India, and as per the pro rata and GDPR, each person is spending around 1,284 rupees for his or her health. So you can just imagine what is the size of the market. And again, if you don't imagine, forget about nation, but where you take the franchisee, where you are going to set up your franchisee, the population of that particular area is enough. Like if your population of that particular area is 1 lakh in the small city, tier 3 city, if it is 1 lakh population also, you just calculate 1 lakh population into 1,284 rupees per annum. So what is the size of the business, what you are going to get? It is, your calculator may fail right now. And again, when it comes to the uh, investment, low cost is a much more important, where it requires some medical facilities. uh, Again, our India has become a medical hub for the tourism. People from Malaysia, people from Africa, people from Middle East, people from other countries are coming to India just to get their um, health be redefined, remake, like they may be cured, because we have plenty of ultimate doctors in India. And again, when we compare with other markets regarding the product range and the cost, we are very much cheaper. Like the same product in the US, it may cost around $100, and where in India, if we compare that, this will be approximately 50% of that. And medicines are also very cheaper, and there is no scarcity. So there are more lifestyle diseases what we have done all these days, like it may be diabetes. We are number 3 in the world. Cardiac diseases are more. This is due to our lifestyles which we have um, mm, created by ourselves. And forget about COVID. This is all you know, it is a man-made still, and we don't know how much further viruses or bacteria or diseases are going to come. And this market is going to grow 100% year after year. So we have many more preventive healthcare awareness programs, health checkups, where we are going to give the customer ultimate experience, and at the low cost. Both the franchisees and customers are going to be benefited with this, and that we will have in a further mm, talk. So can we change, Archana? Yeah. So right now, regarding the certifications, Microseed India Private Limited is a ISO certified company with ISO 9001 13485 for the manufacturing unit. We are DNB registered. We are CE certified. We are WHO GMP certified. We are MSME registered, and happy to announce that just yesterday we received a startup recognition. So we are recognized as a startup. Only 50,000 companies in India are recognized as a startup, and this was our final batch, where Microseed is proud to be connected with them. And this is going to boost the business in the government sector and in the corporate level, and from the public limited companies, government owned. So, and again, this is going to support our franchisees in all the way. So right now we are in the product range of diagnostic kits, R&D kits, disposables, consumables, uh, um, hand instruments which are used for operations, operating of the multi-specialty, like you can say gynecology, nephrology, urology, cardiology. When it comes to gynecology, pediatrics, and again all the sectors, like we have covered all the sectors right now. Even we have dental, when it comes to the surgical hand instruments. And when it comes to the R&D, we have the product from our smallest pregnancy kit which can done at home, and till the PCR and ANA DNA kits which are highly recognized in the market and which are in demand with the research and diagnostic labs. So, and when it comes to the pricing, yes, we are very highly competitive when it comes to the branded high quality products. So, and our customer levels, as per the scenario on the social medias and all, we have highest satisfaction rate of the customers who have rated us more than 4 stars out of 5. It is not our ratings, it is independent ratings which are done by the customers. uh, so shall we have next slide? Yeah. So in the diagnostics and in the medical, so we have done medical, this one. So when it comes to the diagnostics lab, we have a state of art diagnostic center in Bangalore, which is in 2000 square feet, which is having the best machinery, which are which you can say the best, right? With 100% accuracy, and we have a good team of the doctors where we provide you the diagnosis. And when it comes to serving nook and corner, right now our franchisees will be a partner in setting up collection centers in their level. And we have home collections, so we have um, home collections, and we have supply chain which is going to transfer the samples, and electronically and physically the document will be shared. So can we go for the next slide? Okay. So what is Pharma World and what is Microsit? So Microsit is a parent company, and Pharma World is a system where we have created. It is a concept, a literal concept where it, it has been written as the. It is a respect what we give it to this concept, because it is comprising with diagnostics, pharmacy, surgicals, and services. So these are the things, and we work with the humanity. So these are the 5 things which we have covered in the pharma world. Next slide. Okay, so when it comes to medical equipments, I have told you earlier about what are the medical equipments we are going to cover. We have covered. It is not about some kind of syringe or stethoscope or a BP machine. You name the product, we have the product. But right now you can ask for ventilators, you can ask for BP machines, so you can ask for oxygen concentrators, you can ask for multipara monitors, you can ask for ICU setup, pathological equipments, like you just and right now we are in process. We have done few of the setups, like we take the orders for turnkey projects. Like if you have a customer who wants to set up his own medical center, uh, just uh, take that, and we will set up everything. Just he has to cut the ribbon, So this is the step what we are going to do. So can we have next slide? Okay, now it is the point where uh, अभी हम क्या देंगे, what I will give you, what my brand is going to give you, this has been done. And for this, right now, to enter this $85 billion company, or not company, but $85 billion potential business, what you have to invest. Like right now, our investing partners would require some around 300 square feet of the space, and total investment what we have planned tentatively 16 lakh. It may go plus or minus, like depending upon the area where you'll need to. When it comes to the tier 2 and 3, yes, there will be a difference of around 4 to 5 lakh rupees. Like you may start with the 10 to 11 lakhs also. It is not a 16 lakh is not a fixed investment, right? And it will include all the uh, uh, mm, things, part and parcels to set up the business, from the real estate till franchisee fees and all the products. So here it includes a ROI, what you call a return on investment. This is been 1.3 years. That is on the investment of 16 lakh rupees. But when it comes to the small cities, it will be lesser than this. It may be around 10 to 11 lakhs or 12 lakh rupees. You can start, and you'll be having a full support and agreement for 5 years, literally. And we have the bigger concept also, which will fetch the investment of approximately 23 lakhs. So that can start from 20 lakhs also, where you'll get a 1.8 years of payback period, and average return on investment per annum is 105%. Just imagine, this is the safest investment. And since because each and every inventory what we supply from Pharma World and Microset India Private Limited is buyback, 100% buyback for what you paid. There's no other brand can give you this, because today if you have built product worth of 5 lakhs, and tomorrow with don't know what will happen tomorrow, and if you buy um, anything with um, God's this one, you may have to shut down your business, and what you will do. But at Pharma World, you are going to get your 100% money back for what you paid. So this is the insurance what we are promising you. And we have another for a if you are very much optimistic and opportunistic, we have a franchise master franchise module also, for which Metro will keep, where you have to start up with one of the store, and again
Friends, I think we have lost
Mostly you are,
connection
yeah.
with Pramod ji. We'll wait for a minute for him to join back. Ashnik, पर आप confirm भी कर लीजिए.
Yeah, ma'am. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just calling him. Ma'am, he's joining in a minute. He has a power cut. So,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So friends, we'll start also taking up questions with Dr. Pramod with respect to the business model. And if you have any questions, you can start putting those questions in the Q&A box. As Dr. Pramod returns, he will conclude with the presentation and we'll take up your questions. Yeah.
So I'll again reshare the screen,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Hi, I am back due to some technical issues. I was out of the network, and so I was on master franchise. So in Metro Zone, the total investment of master franchise will be approximately 35 lakh. Tier 1 city, it will be 35 lakh. When it comes to Tier 2 cities, it will be 25 lakh, including your store. And Tier 3 cities, it will be 23 lakh rupees. And in the master franchise, the ROI will be more than 2 to 300% of the investment. So all these investment are inclusive of the franchisee fees, and GST is always extra. Whatever the GST is applicable on the product and on the um, franchise fee, that would be applicable. So I think you guys can have a separate session for discussing all these things. What you will get, we have a complete clarity in the Excel sheet, which will be provided to you for getting the clarity on the product range, the value which you have paid, and what are you getting in that value. Okay, so can we have a next slide? Okay. So what are the benefits when it comes to franchise, Pharma World franchise? You'll be having a complete setup support from the scratch, from the day of starting the store. It will be requiring consultations. It will be requiring the real estate, the geolocation. Geolocation is most important when it comes to the franchisee setup. That support you will be getting. Operational and audit support means a day to day whatever is happening in your store, that will be taken care with a 100% support. uh, Again, we are nationally known brand. You just ask any of the doctor about Microsid, they know it. Most of the doctors know it. So it is not something you are entering with some new brand. And we have robust supply chain. Yes, I can say robust, because right now we are backed up by FedEx and Blue Dart, where the shipments are coming in a lightning speed within 24 to 48 hours. In any of the city, you give the pin code, we have the supply system, we have the delivery. So again, extensive product and brand portfolio. So this is again important, like whenever you choose any of the business. So right now we are having more than 20,000 SKUs with us. Own brand range. So Microsit is having own brand with more than 2,000 SKUs right now. We will be helping you in the marketing and launch, licensing, employee staffing, online presence. Means we will be giving you an extensive presence on the social media and over the Google. Bank loan facilities are available, but again subjected to the banker's discretion. Insurance, yes, it is available. Training and IT support, this is being supported by our channel partners. And national focus and local support. So when it comes to the local support, obviously we will be giving you. National support is there always. So can we change the slide? So as you can see, this is how our store will look. And what is the reason? What is the reason to partner with us? So I think most of you might have already got what the reasons to uh, sign up with Pharma World and Microsit India. First thing is widest medical equipment range. We have in-house diagnostics. We have in-house pharmacy. Second is we are into the manufacturing, and we are serving the nation since last 20 plus years. and strong brand associations. And right now we have more than 190 companies who are directly associated with us. 190 brands, you can say. You name the brand, I have the brand. When it comes to the regional level, centralized brand building through all media, like we are right now, we are available on Instagram, Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, um, um, Google. So all these things. And again, when it comes to the other exhibition, like right now, there are very less physical exhibitions are happening, but whenever they happen, Microsoft India has always participated. So, and we have complete setup of your inventory planning, IT system, technology. Without technology is nothing going to happen. And Microsoft is a combo of technology and medical. So competition assessment, which is very important, like what is the competition in your area? It again depends on the geolocations. So we are going to work on that, and we are going to assess the risk of having the particular products, and then we will be supplying you. And stock management, which is very important when it comes to the stock management, because most of the inventory where the ROI has to be on the at par level, we have to manage the stocks properly, where which product is selling high, which product is selling low, or all these things. And expiry management also, like most of the products you might be ending up with expired products which are not saleable. That is a total loss for a businessman. But at Microsoft India, we are going to access your records where the stock has been planned properly, and you will be notified to send the expiry products back to the warehouse, where you'll be getting 100% of money back against those products. So this is very important factor. So I think of any further questions in regards to these things, we can have a separate discussion. Can we change the slide, Archana? Yeah, most of the frequently asked questions are like key benefits, as I have already shared. What is the margin? What is the profitability, consistency, and excellence, and marketing, where we are marketing, uh, 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 physical marketing, social media marketing, all these things. So this has been covered. Can we change the slide, Archana? Okay. So when it comes to the exclusivity, this is the major question which is asked, and it is very important. Like it is a territory and exclusivity for the franchise defined. Yes, it is obviously. We will be providing you your own territory where no parallel franchise will be doing the business. And will I have to change my pharmacy name? Like Pharma World would be a primary brand. However, we will incorporate the existing pharmacy name. If you have existing pharmacy store, we will be incorporating you as Pharma World. Yes, when it comes to full control of the business, yes. However, the store and the trade owner, who is the franchise, who has invested, he has 100% control on the business with the contractual commitments. There will be some commitment towards the brand, towards building up the business, that has to be incorporated. So when it comes to question, certain lines in my pharmacy and will have this incorporated into Pharma World stock. Yes. However, each and every product has been incorporated, which is aligned, which will be supplied to you, and which is comparable. So when it comes to senior pharmacist, is the existing senior pharmacist responsible for the store, or does this remit fall to the Pharma World superintendent? No, the responsibility of the franchisee pharmacy remains with the store superintendent pharmacist. Like whoever is working on, or you yourself is working as a superintendent in your store, you are the responsible person. Can we change? Okay, so here it comes everyone's favorite question. What marketing support will I receive for the launch? So first thing is local mail shot uh, uh, in the geolocation, which will be doing local marketing, which is the flyers, emails, WhatsApp marketing, Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, all these social channels, even in the newspapers. Okay, and we will be creating it ultimately. Very good marketing will happen for this. Okay, so can we change? So right now, what is the presence? Here almost we have covered India, like we are available in Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Indore, Jamshedpur, Coorg, Hassan, Delhi, Ahmedabad. So shortly we'll be available pan India. Like we are looking to start up the stores on the pin code level. Each pin code, you name the pin code, our store will be there. Can we change? Yeah. So this was all about Pharma World. So if there are any further queries, please be uh, open. We are open to answer.
Sure. So
So
thank you. Yeah, thank you, Pramod sir, for joining in today and talking about the brand. I think Sonia ma'am, she has disconnected. Let her join, but I will try to take some of the queries which we have got in our question and answer box. So first query which I want to take is from Tanay Sharma. He is asking, will you help with all real estate work for setting up the stores?
exactly. We will be helping definitely. First choice will be yours, as if you have you already have a location where you can start up the store. It's most welcome. If you don't have the store location and you are yet to find out the place, definitely we'll be working out with the real estate team and get the study done and get the feasibility done and finalize the store.
Sure. So, sir, second question which I want to take is we got queries that who will get all the necessary license and what will happen to unstock sold, unsold
Okay.
stock. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Okay. So when it comes to the licensing part, definitely licensing will be in your name because you are the owner of the store, legal owner of the store, and you have invested. And that part, again, getting the licenses, yes, definitely Pharma World will help to get the licensing part done. And when it comes to the expiry of the product, unsold product, that is having 100% money back guarantee. Like if you are having the stock and it's not been sold, kindly return it back. We will take back and we will adjust your money towards the further bills. And it will be adjusted money with 100%. Like you have paid 1 rupee, you'll get that 1 rupee back.
Sure, sure. So I think Sonia ma'am is back. Ma'am, would you like to take some queries?
Thank you so much, Dr. Pramod. I think I have poor networks. I'll do without video for some time.
No issue.
And I also see a lot of questions coming in. And while I think I cannot see them more, and Archana, आप ले सकते हो कोई questions because all my questions have been raised.
Sure, ma'am.
But I'll take some and maybe just to start the friends, and I will reiterate the opportunity. And if you look at the pharmacy retail sector today, it is getting transformed very big time from unorganized retail to getting organized one.
Correct.
And and also I would say, today all the leading pharmacy chains, especially the organized one, they're well positioned to establish trust on very strong foundation, because companies like pharma world, they offer genuine drugs, deploy qualified personnel, and offer a lot of convenience, and most important, they have a omni channel presence and hyper local presence, which is very important for service and convenience to our clients, integrating technology and also AI tools, which Dr. Pramod also talked about. So overall model is about 300 to 500 square feet. अगर आप unit लेना चाहते हैं, where the investment is 16 to 25 lakhs, and the master franchise opportunity is also available, where the investment is 23 to 35 lakhs, which also includes both franchise fees and the stock. And third, we also have a conversion model. So anybody who is looking at any kind of a chain and they want to upgrade or convert to a organized chain, so we also have a model on that. So Dr. Pramod, my pehla question which I will take, while we have talked about the investment, which is between 16 to 25 lakhs, depending on the format, which is 300 to 500. If we can even talk about the breakup, ये 16 lakhs का हमारा breakup and 25 lakhs का breakup हमारा क्या होगा? Apart from the franchise fees, I think franchise fees हमारी 4 lakhs है, 300 के लिए, and 5 lakhs है 500 के लिए. इसके अलावा बाकी हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट कितनी रहती है? How much can we invest in stock, and कितना हमारा capex पे रहता है? If you can also give a breakup of the entire investment.
Okay. Okay. So, Archana ji, Sonia ji, when it comes to the investment, जो investment आएगा, that will be majorly considered with the real estate, and when it comes to the interiors. So again, the interiors will be in the franchisee's hand. Like we will be providing them the designs so they can get locally done, which will be saving their more money instead of we sending the interior designers from Bangalore or from other places. Local designers would do that job at the cost of 50%.
Right.
So there, as per the module, the interior cost as per design, it's coming around 5 lakh rupees. But at local, they can get it done for 3 lakh rupees. So here the cost of investment on the capex, it is less. And again, when it comes to IT pack will be having some around 1 lakh rupees of investment, including the license cost. Right, and again there will be a inventory, so that can start from 3 lakh till 10 lakhs. So this is the whole investment. So 16 lakh जो basic investment हमने बताई थी, that is the capping investment. That is not franchisee ऐसा नहीं है कि 16 लाख रुपया एकदम invest करे. So that is whole investment. So they can start up with 10-11 lakhs also.
Okay. Right. डॉक्टर प्रमोद, इसमें हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टॉक के ऊपर, इनिशियल स्टॉक एक आउटलेट पे कितना रखना चाहिए? बिकॉज जो भी आपका थ्रूपुट किसी भी स्टोर का होता है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनेट होता है कितना स्टॉक हम एक आउटलेट मेडिकल स्टोर पे रखते हैं. तो क्या हमारा एक मिनिमम स्टॉक लेवल एक मेंटेन करना चाहिए? एंड दूसरा, हमारा रोटेशन इस बिजनेस में क्या रहता है, अगर आप वो भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकें.
ओके, जो इनिशियल स्टॉक रहेगी सोनिया जी, 3 लाख से लेके 6 लाख. So this is the general benchmark. With a optimized inventory management.
Correct.
3 to 6 lakhs. अगर ये optimization नहीं होता है तो stock ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. But we are on that, and we don't want to stress out our store owners to put their more capital and get less investment. तो हमारा challenge यही है कि target यही है कि जितना स्टॉक कम हो सके उतना कम रखें, मार्केट के हिसाब से रखें, जो रेगुलर सेल हो रही है उसके हिसाब से रखें, और इनको आरओआई ज्यादा हो, एंड उसका जो रोटेशन ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ द इन्वेंट्री वो ज्यादा चले.
वेरी हेल्पफुल. एंड डॉक्टर प्रमोद, इसमें अगर मैं टोटल मिक्स की बात करूं, जो भी हमारा इन्वेंट्री है उसका हमारा क्या परसेंटेज रहता है? बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग मेडिसिन ऑल्सो, इसमें आपके नॉन फार्मा प्रोडक्ट्स भी होंगे और इक्विपमेंट भी रहेगा. सो
Correct.
ओवरऑल हमारा एक तो इन्वेंट्री मिक्स क्या रहता है और इस इन्वेंट्री मिक्स में हमारा सेल मिक्स क्या बनता है?
ओके, सो अब विद द इन्वेंट्री मिक्स, जैसे मार्जिन्स की अगर बात करी जाए, तो ऑन द ब्रांडेड प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रेंचाइजी को तकरीबन तकरीबन 25% मैनेज हो जाएगा
हाँ
द
जी।
प्रॉफिट, ठीक है, एंड इट शूट्स अप टू 100%। तो जो प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट होती है, प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट अगर मान के चलो कि 100 रुपए है, तो उसका सेल प्राइस तकरीबन 200 रुपीज हो जाता है। तो 125 से लेके 199 या 200 रुपए तक उसका सेल वैल्यू जो बनता है, ऐसा रहेगा। एंड अगर B2B की बात करें तो 10% से लेके 25% तक मार्जिन B2B में होती है,
हाँ जी।
और B2C में 100% तक मार्जिन होती है व्हेन इट कम्स टू द ब्रांडेड प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड इट इज इंक्लूसिव ऑल। ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ ये फाइजर में इतना मिलेगा या वोकार्ड में इतना मिलेगा या ओमरोन में इतना मिलेगा।
हाँ
सो
जी।
इज ऑल मिक्स मैच। तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि 100 से लेके 200 तक आपको मार्जिन मैनेज हो जाए।
राइट, ठीक है, दिस इज आल्सो हेल्पफुल। एंड इसमें हमारा डॉक्टर प्रमोद, अगर हम बात करें इसमें ओवरऑल थ्रूपुट की, एक एक आउटलेट से रिटेल आउटलेट है वो कितना एक रेवेन्यू दे सकता है? एंड क्योंकि ये मोर और लेस आई वुड आल्सो से सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल भी है और कुछ टाइम एक आउटलेट को लगेगा अपने B2B सेल्स के लिए भी या पार्टनरशिप के लिए भी, तो उसमें भी टाइम लगता है। अगर हम एवरेज सेल्स की बात करें तो क्या एक आउटलेट सेल्स प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है एवरेज मंथ की?
मैम, ऑन एन एवरेज एक अच्छा रिटेल आउटलेट मिनिमम टू मिनिमम इट हैज टू डू मींस ऑन एन एवरेज इट हैज टू डू सम 50,000 रुपीज अ डे, 50,000 रुपए पर डे।
1000 a day.
But लेकिन when it comes to the new outlets and with the minimum stock or tier 2 tier 3 cities में, it will be minimum to minimum it will be fetching 10,000 to 20,000 rupees a day the
हम्म
sale।
हम्म ओके, तो इसका मतलब है हमारी इन्वेंट्री भी उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही होगी, बिकॉज
उसके
50,
हिसाब से होगी,
हाँ
हाँ,
जी, 50,000
करेक्ट।
अगर हमें गोल रखना है अपना, विच ट्रांसलेट्स टू अबाउट 15 1 लाख का आपका एक महीने का साइकिल बनना चाहिए। सो दिस विल
करेक्ट।
आल्सो इन्वॉल्व हायर इन्वेंट्री विच हैज टू बी मेंटेन्ड एट द आउटलेट एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट इन टाइम। एंड
ट्रू।
डॉक्टर प्रमोद, अगर हम एवरेज या ब्लेंडेड मार्जिन की बात करें अक्रॉस ऑल दी प्रोडक्ट्स, जिसमें हमारा फार्मा नॉन फार्मा मेडिसिन इक्विपमेंट आता है, तो इसमें हमारे एवरेज मार्जिन ब्लेंडेड कितने रहेंगे? You know, कुछ कुछ जेनरिक मेडिसिन हैं, डू वी आल्सो कीप जेनरिक मेडिसिन एट
Yeah,
आवर
we have very good range of branded generic medicines।
ब्रांडेड जेनरिक्स? तो हमारा
And
जेनरिक्स, हाँ, ब्रांडेड जेनरिक्स भी है, देन वी हैव अदर मेडिसिन आल्सो, पेटेंटेड मेडिसिन प्लस इक्विपमेंट। तो अगर हम एवरेज एक देखें तो हमारे एवरेज मार्जिन क्या रहेंगे ब्लेंडेड?
मैम, जैसे ब्रांडेड मेडिसिन है, इसका तो आप 25% आप लेके चलिए, प्लस द स्कीम्स वॉट एवर आर अप्लीकेबल। और जैसे जेनरिक्स की अगर बात करें तो जेनरिक्स में फ्रॉम द प्राइस टू द रिटेलर टिल MRP दैट विल बी 300%।
राइट।
तो again it depends on the store owner, like what is the discount he is going to give on the generic to attract more and more customers। लेकिन finally when it comes to the generics कोई इतना डिस्काउंट मांगते नहीं है,
हाँ,
तो यहाँ पे आप लेके चलिए 50% आप मिनिमम मार्जिन लेके चलिए।
राइट। तो मुझे कुछ
तो
क्वेश्चंस अब मैं अपने ऑडियंस से भी लूंगी। देयर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हिच हैव कम, सो मैं एक एक करके कोशिश करूंगी सारे क्वेश्चंस हम कवर कर पाए। आई टेक वन क्वेश्चन, द फर्स्ट वन फ्रॉम Turna Majumdar, and the question is, what is the discount structure we follow in getting followed in the existing stores, you know, because बहुत सारे फार्मेसी स्टोर डिस्काउंट पे चलते हैं, तो हमारा कोई पॉलिसी है डिस्काउंटिंग को लेके? और अगर मैं इसके साथ ये भी जोड़ूं, जो भी हमारा डिस्काउंट या मार्जिन हम फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर को देते हैं, जो डिस्काउंट हम देते हैं ये फ्रेंचाइजी अपनी तरफ से देता है या कोई पार्टिसिपेशन कंपनी का भी रहता है इसमें?
okay, so when it comes to the discounts nowadays, आजकल क्या हो गया है कि मार्केट में राइट नो स्ट्रेट अपफ्रंट डिस्काउंट्स है नहीं, तो दे आर बीइंग डिजाइन्ड एज कैशबैक्स।
राइट।
कैशबैक कैशबैक का मतलब ये होता है कि आपको मैं 10% का कैशबैक दे दूंगा
हाँ
ऑन
जी।
द ऑन द मिनिमम बिलिंग। देयर आर द बेंचमार्क्स वेयर कैशबैक्स आर अप्लाइड एज अ स्कीम्स।
हाँ जी।
तो व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि जैसे अपोलो आज की डेट में दे आर गिविंग 10% कैशबैक and MedPlus is giving 5% cashback. So how it works is you buy minimum product worth of 2,000 rupees. There you are entitled for the 10% cashback, which are been added as a points in your account. So जितना भी point आपका accumulate होते हैं, you can convert those points into the invoice value और उसका आप डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है. But that is again there is a difference. So that is being managed with the brands जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी होती है वो भी उसको मैनेज करती है. फार्मा वर्ल्ड will also manage, and again it will be something has to be managed from the pharmacy store also.
Sure. जी एक और क्वेश्चन जो मैं लूंगी which is from Sai Manikanta ji. He would like to know, and this is a question which is common and especially when it comes to pharmacy, it is a very specialized field. So एक क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमन I'm seeing many other participants also asking कि a lot of people don't come with prior experience and I see somebody come with the IT software background. तो ये साई मणिकांता जी पूछना चाहते हैं he has no experience in this field. So इसमें ट्रेनिंग क्या लगती है हमारी and is it okay with someone coming with no experience and in getting started?
So here my answer will be this, like you need a zero experience to start up a franchise. That is where the pharma world is heading towards. क्योंकि काम सबको करना है लेकिन प्लान है नहीं और एक्सपीरियंस है नहीं और एक्सपीरियंस देने के लिए कोई आएगा नहीं. तो दैट इज वेयर फार्मा वर्ल्ड इज स्टैंडिंग. तो आपको कोई आपकी बेसिक एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन या फिर आपका एक्सपीरियंस ये हमारे लिए मायने नहीं रखता क्योंकि हम आपको ट्रेन करेंगे, आपकी टीम को ट्रेन करेंगे. वी विल बी हैविंग जो भी आपके लाइसेंसिंग के लिए और जो भी फार्मासिस्ट लगेंगे दैट आर अवेलेबल विद अस, हम वहाँ पे रिक्रूट करेंगे और आपको सिर्फ बिजनेस हैंडल करना आना चाहिए कि कस्टमर को कैसे ट्रीट किया जाए, क्या हमारा काम है, कैसे हमारा काम चलेगा, क्या माइक्रोसिड और फार्मा वर्ल्ड के जो रोजमर्रा के जो सिस्टम है सुबह दुकान खुलने से लेके शाम के क्लोज करने तक मुझे क्या करना है और कस्टमर को कैसे अच्छे तमीज से हैंडल करना है, उनको क्या एक्सपीरियंस देना है ताकि कस्टमर बार बार आया करे. बस इतना अगर आपको आता है कि हाँ मैं ये हैंडल कर सकता हूँ तो यू आर वेलकम टू फार्मा वर्ल्ड एंड यू कैन बिकम आवर पार्टनर.
राइट. तो मुझे इससे रिलेटेड दो तीन क्वेश्चंस और हैं which is from सुहेल रहमान जी. I see a question from Mr. ओम सिंह and couple of more investors. ये कह रहे हैं कि लाइसेंस की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट रहती है, who is eligible to get a pharmacy license, because we also need a pharmacist at the store. So कुछ लोग पूछ रहे हैं is there a requirement of a pharma degree? So एक लाइसेंस की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्या क्राइटेरिया है, दूसरा फार्मासिस्ट के क्या गाइडलाइंस हैं?
सो अभी गाइडलाइंस तो एज पर ड्रग कंट्रोल एक्ट चलेगा वो एंड गाइडलाइंस उन्हीं के हिसाब से रहेगी जो हम आपको बता देंगे क्योंकि अभी टाइम कम होने के कारण हम यहाँ पे बता नहीं सकते. तो इट इज अ एंटायर बुक, राइट. तो गाइडलाइंस तो गवर्नमेंट के हिसाब से ही चलेगा. लेकिन जब लाइसेंसिंग की बात आती है, यस ऑब्वियसली यू विल रिक्वायर अ फार्मासिस्ट, आइदर यू आर क्वालिफाइड फार्मासिस्ट और यू शुड बी हायरिंग अ फार्मासिस्ट, तो तभी लाइसेंस मिलेगा. तो वो लाइसेंस लेने के लिए एक रजिस्टर्ड फार्मासिस्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ये लाइसेंस आने के लिए जो रिटेल 20A एंड 21A का लाइसेंस लगेगा, ठीक है. और अगर आपके पास आपको स्टोर लेना है और स्टोर चालू करना है एंड इफ यू डोंट हैव अ फार्मासिस्ट, मींस आपके पास ना आप फार्मासिस्ट हो और ना आपके पास कोई फार्मासिस्ट है, तो माइक्रोसिड और फार्मा वर्ल्ड यहाँ पे आपको सपोर्ट करेगा कि आपको लाइसेंसिंग के लिए जो फार्मासिस्ट का रिक्वायरमेंट है और जो आपके स्टोर पे काम करेगा वो हम रिक्रूट करके देंगे.
Absolutely, and that's very important point. And
Yeah.
I will take one question again, which is for local. This is from Turna Majumdar ji. For local drugs prescribed by physicians, does the brand tie up with local distributors or the partner is allowed to source locally? So because aap manufacturer hain, so I understand you will be single point contact for all supplies. But I think what he would like to know कि जो supply है वो directly आप से आएगा or there's a middleman in between, maybe a distributor who supplies.
No, there won't be any middlemen in the supplies because right now we have more than 190 companies in the pharma brand apart from Microset. सो ये सिर्फ माइक्रोसेट या फार्मा वर्ल्ड का प्रोडक्ट नहीं होगा जो आप बेच रहे हो। तो आप जैसे कि प्रोडक्ट आपके घर पे भी आपने इतने तरह की मेडिसिन यूज करी होंगी जिनके ऊपर ब्रांड के नाम है वकार्ड, सिप्ला, कैडिला, फाइजर, यूएसवी, मैनकाइंड, मर्क, रोश, ऐसे बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स हमारे साथ में हैं। तो द सेम प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड टू सेल इन योर store that will be supplied by pharma world. तो when there is some more urgency कि ये प्रोडक्ट कहीं पे मीन्स अगर आपके स्टोर पे आने के लिए टाइम लग रहा है, मीन्स आपने अगर गलती कर दी कि ये प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर ना कर पाए या फिर आपको बड़ा ऑर्डर मिल गया जो आपके इन्वेंट्री रैक्स में अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है। मान के चलिए अगर कोई अभी जैसे ये पैंडेमिक के अंदर इट वाज अ डोलो 650 which was higher in the demand, Azithrol 500 which was very high in the demand. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है कि एक पहले तो कॉमन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन वाज फॉर 3 गोली दे दो, 4 गोली दे दो, तो दैट वाज द डोज। बट इन द पैंडेमिक जो कोविड पेशेंट है उसके लिए तो कम से कम 30 गोली लगती है इसकी। तो अगर वहाँ पे आपके पास 50 कस्टमर आ गए तो यू विल बी नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दैट क्वांटिटी एंड फिर हमारे यहाँ से हमारे वेयरहाउस से आपके इधर आने के लिए भी तकरीबन 1 दिन लग सकता है या 2 दिन लग सकते हैं। तो हम वहीं पे आपके एरिया में जो कोई लोकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है विद द हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ द ब्रांड, दैट पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड, जैसे मैंने ब्रांड का नाम लिया, जैसे अभी डोलो 650 है, दैट इज अ ब्रांड ऑफ माइक्रो लैब्स। तो माइक्रो लैब्स को हम कहेंगे कि ये हमारा स्टोर लोकेशन है, यहाँ पे आप इतनी जल्दी से इतना ये प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई कर दीजिए, तो दैट वुड बी सप्लाइड। तो in any case of emergency, the brand is ready to support.
Sure. तो मुझे एक और जो मैं लूंगी, आई थिंक वन ऑफ आवर पार्टिसिपेंट्स इज आस्किंग द मार्जिन्स ऑन द मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट। सो ओवरऑल हमारा क्या मार्जिन्स रहते हैं मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट पे?
ओके, उनका शुभ नाम प्लीज।
आई थिंक इट्स अगेन तूर्ना है।
तुरना जी आपने जैसे मार्जिन के बारे में पूछा, तो मार्जिन नॉर्मली जो एथिकल मार्जिन होता है वो 25 to 100% होता है, दैट इज द एथिकल मार्जिन। ठीक है, एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू एंड वी डोंट सपोर्ट एनी अनएथिकल मार्जिन्स। तो हम तो यही कहेंगे कि आप 25% से लेके 100% तक लेके चलिए, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द ब्रांड। एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू अनएथिकल मार्जिन, जैसे आपने इस पैंडेमिक में आपने देखा होगा कि जो पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर हम आपको एक्स प्राइस में दे रहे हैं वो XYZ प्राइस में बिक रहा है, मींस 3 times 4 times 5 times प्राइस में बिक रहा है। तो दैट इज देयर, बट आपको एथिकल प्राइसेस में भी, जैसे हम हमारी स्टोर पे या वेबसाइट पे जो पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर का कीमत MRP 2999 है, that we are supplying at the rate of 999 to the end user, means आपके रिटेल कस्टमर को जो एक पीस भी लेना चाहता है, तो इतना सारा डिस्काउंट देने के बाद भी you will be ending up with 30 to 40% of margin.
एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू आर अ मैन्युफैक्चरर, तो जो आपका जो प्राइस पॉइंट है या मार्जिन्स हैं वो एंड कंज्यूमर और पार्टनर को उसका बेनिफिट मिल सकता है
Easily.
एंड आई टेक वन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम मिस्टर ओम सिंह। ये पूछना चाहते हैं जो भी हमारा ओवरऑल पोर्टफोलियो है ब्रांड्स का, इसमें हमारा जो प्राइवेट लेबल है और जो ब्रांड्स हैं उनका क्या एवरेज रेशियो रहता है इन्वेंट्री में?
एवरेज रेशियो ये रहेगा कि 10-90, तो only 10% we are going to infuse Microsit brand, private label brand, and 90% with the branded companies.
Okay, so 90 आपका branded है and 10% is our own private label.
Correct.
Okay, I'll see any other questions, Pramod ji, जो आ रहे हैं. And एक question जो मैं खुद लेना चाहती थी, which is on the markets, because you're supplying, you're also one of the biggest importers, exporters, and also manufacturer. So कौन-कौन सी markets में अभी हम जाना चाहते हैं? You're based out of South, headquarter आपका South में Bangalore में है. So which are the important cities that you want to penetrate? अगर हम unit की बात करते हैं और अगर हम master की भी बात करते हैं, and if it is a location which is outside South, उसमें हम masters पहले देंगे और फिर कोई unit की inquiry हम handle करेंगे. How will it work?
नहीं एक्चुअल जैसे कुछ महीनों पहले हमने सोचा था कि पहले मास्टर्स देंगे और फिर बाद में यूनिट्स देंगे,
हाँ
लेकिन
जी.
जो जैसे सिचुएशन बनती है, बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी मार्केट इज पोटेंशियल, ईच एंड एवरी प्लेस इज पोटेंशियल. जहाँ पे इंसान है वहां पे तो पोटेंशियल है ही, ठीक है. तो देर इज नो क्राइटेरिया कॉल्ड कि हमको कुछ कैपिंग हम नहीं लगा रहे हैं कि वेयर वी कैन गिव द मास्टर्स और वी कैन यूनिट, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. तो यू जस्ट हैव टू सी कि राइट नाउ वी हैव द पोटेंशियल ऑफ सर्विंग ईच एंड एवरी पिन कोड इन इंडिया.
Okay.
So there is no complication in serving the customer.
Okay. Because आपका supply chain is strong and robust to cater to pan India requirement, which
Exactly,
can be
exactly.
done. But initially, do you think South ऐसी market होगी, कर्नाटका या केरला बात करूं या TN तमिलनाडु, AP तेलंगाना, जहाँ पे आप clusters create करना चाहते हैं? Because any brand, while you might have a potential, but maybe you want to create clusters and go big in certain maybe areas. Is that something you want to talk about?
Exactly,
कौन से important?
exactly, exactly. अभी जो क्लस्टर्स बने हैं जहाँ पे हमारी एग्जिस्टिंग फ्रेंचाइजीज हैं, तो
हाँ
उसके
जी.
आसपास में वी आर कंसिडरिंग द मोर. वहाँ पे
हम्म.
हम ज्यादा टारगेट कर रहे हैं कि वहाँ पे इनको सप्लाई करने में और मार्केटिंग करने में बहुत आसानी रहेगी. जैसे अभी व्हेन इट
Right.
कम्स टू कर्नाटका, कर्नाटका अगर बैंगलोर में किसी को करना है, बैंगलोर वी हैव अराउंड 102 पिन कोड्स,
Right.
राइट. एंड ईच पिन कोड वाइज, सो 100 franchisees आर पोटेंशियली यू कैन ओपन, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हमको मार्केटिंग में ज्यादा जोर लगाना नहीं पड़ेगा और स्टोर ओनर को उसके आरओआई पे हिट लगाने में भी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा.
हाँ जी.
वी आर ऑलरेडी देयर, तो
ठीक है. तो जो
ज्यादातर
हम
जोर यही.
ओके, सॉरी सॉरी
नो
डॉक्टर
इशू,
जी, आप
नो
बताइए.
इशू.
हाँ जी.
तो अभी जितने हमारे स्टोर्स हैं उसके आसपास में ही उन्हीं एरियाज में अगर नए स्टोर्स आते हैं तो उनके
हाँ
लिए
जी.
बहुत अच्छा रहेगा और हमारे लिए भी बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि हम उनको आसानी से सप्लाई मैनेजमेंट कर पाएंगे और अगेन उनके लिए मार्केटिंग भी इजी हो पाएगी और पोटेंशियल कस्टमर्स रेडीली हम उनको दे पाएंगे.
राइट राइट, बिल्कुल. एंड डॉक्टर प्रमोद जी, एक क्वेश्चन जो रह गया था, आई थिंक दैट वाज ऑन द मास्टर फ्रेंचाइज मॉडल, क्योंकि मास्टर भी हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं और हमने एक फ्रेंचाइज फीस की भी बात की. तो एक मास्टर के नीचे आप कितने लोकेशंस का पोटेंशियल आप समझते हैं होगा, मतलब मिनिमम कितने यूनिट्स आइडली एक मास्टर के नीचे आने चाहिए, एंड बिटवीन मास्टर एंड आपके बीच में और फर्दर यूनिट के बीच में, अगर ये पूरा हम 3 टियर स्ट्रक्चर हो जाता है, यूनिट हो गया, उसके ऊपर एरिया फ्रेंचाइजी या मास्टर जिसको हम कहते हैं, एंड देन इट इज अ पेरेंट कंपनी, तो इसमें क्या शेयरिंग हमारा था, एवरेज रेशो हमारा रहेगा?
ओके, सो इन द मास्टर्स दैट डिपेंड्स अगेन एरिया के ऊपर कि कौन सा एरिया ये लेना चाहते हैं. जैसे इट इज अ टायर 1 सिटी अगर हम लेके चले, दिल्ली, मुंबई, पुणे, हैदराबाद, कोलकाता, बैंगलोर, चेन्नई, ऐसी एरियाज, तो विच आर वास्ट इन द पिन कोड्स, लाइक वहाँ पे एनीवे हम जो स्टोर्स दे रहे हैं दैट इज अ पिन कोड बेस्ड, ठीक है. तो वी विल बी शेयरिंग अप एटलीस्ट 20, 25, 30 पिन कोड्स. तो 25 से 30 स्टोर एक मास्टर के नीचे काम करेगा, ठीक है. सो द एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू द रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग, यस, अपफ्रंट जो फ्रेंचाइज फी रहेगा उसके साथ अच्छी खासी शेयरिंग रहेगी मास्टर के साथ में. एंड अगेन देयर विल बी अ रॉयल्टी टू देम. इट इज नॉट रॉयल्टी brand will take, but brand will give the royalty to the master franchise कि आपके इतने स्टोर्स हैं और इतने स्टोर्स आपने बनवाए, इतने स्टोर्स का आपका सेल आ रहा है, and whatever the sale is, this has been considered into this x number of percentage, और ये x number of percentage आपको every month आपको रॉयल्टी के हिसाब से मिल जाएगा.
तो इसमें 2 तरीके की शेयरिंग होगी, एक आपका जो भी यूनिट फ्रेंचाइज फीस आएगी उसमें आपकी एरिया फ्रेंचाइजी की शेयरिंग रहेगी, एंड जितनी भी सप्लाई आपकी यूनिट्स पे जाएंगी वो सारी आपकी एरिया फ्रेंचाइजी के थ्रू हमारी सप्लाई जाएंगी, तो उसके ऊपर भी एक मार्जिन हैं जो एक एरिया फ्रेंचाइजी को मिलेंगे. सो ये आपके सोर्सेज दो हो गई. एंड थर्ड यू मेंशन्ड इज रॉयल्टी. देयर इज एडिशनल रॉयल्टी व्हिच ही विल गेट. इज दैट व्हाट आई हैव राइटली अंडरस्टूड डॉक्टर प्रमोद?
फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड पॉइंट इज हाईली करेक्ट, आपने एकदम सही बताया. लेकिन द पॉइंट नंबर 2 विच इज द इन्वेंट्री हमसे एरिया फ्रेंचाइज को जाएगा, एरिया फ्रेंचाइज से वहां पे जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. क्योंकि it is very it will be very troublesome for the area franchise to handle the stocks, because
हाँ जी.
एरिया फ्रेंचाइज उनको ना तो एक्सपीरियंस है स्टॉक्स हैंडल करने का, ना प्रोडक्ट का एक्सपीरियंस है, ना सप्लाई चेन का नॉलेज होगा. ठीक है, तो उनका काम यही होगा कि दे विल बी जस्ट सेटिंग अप द स्टोर्स, सेटिंग अप द फ्रेंचाइज एंड टेक द रॉयल्टी. Each and every supply system, each and every product, each and every expiry, each and every payments, and each and every marketing will be handled directly by the company with the franchise.
Okay. Okay.
So
All right. I think
जो
that's
master
very
franchise
important.
होंगे उनको कुछ हैंडल करने का जरूरत नहीं है.
ठीक है. डॉक्टर प्रमोद, मैं एक दो क्वेश्चंस और लूंगी while we have already gone beyond our time. तो एक दो क्वेश्चंस जो मैं लेना चाहती हूँ. एक है मिस्टर सत्य दारा जी पूछना चाहते हैं, व्हाट इज योर रिस्पॉन्स टू द कंपटीशन, बिकॉज फार्मेसी में कंपटीशन भी है, नेशनल ब्रांड्स बहुत हैं, कुछ बड़े रीजनल ब्रांड्स भी हैं साउथ में भी. सो व्हाट इज आवर मे बी एज ओवर द अदर प्लेयर्स. एंड दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो है विच आई टेक इसके साथ ही लूंगी मैं, वो हमारा लास्ट में डिलीवरी अगर हम ऑनलाइन करते हैं तो डू वी हैव अ टाई अप विद एनी ऑफ द डिलीवरी प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो ये करता है, या हमारा खुद का प्लेटफॉर्म होगा डिलीवर करने का. सो दीस टू क्वेश्चंस आई विल टेक लास्ट. हाँ जी.
ओके ओके. तो व्हेन इट कम्स टू द कंपटीशन, कंपटीशन वहीं पे होता है जहां पे कुछ होता है. ठीक है, एंड द फार्मा इंडस्ट्री और ये कंपटीशन तो कुछ भी नहीं है, दिस इज नथिंग. सो राइट नाउ वी आर हिटिंग अप्रोक्सीमेटली अराउंड $70 billion मार्केट कैप. लेकिन अभी भी हमारे पास वी द फार्मा कंपनीज और मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट कंपनीज हैव नॉट इवन रीच्ड 20%. 20% भी हम लोग पेनिट्रेट नहीं कर पाए. तो जैसे हमारी स्टडी चली थी, बहुत से प्रोडक्ट्स थे, जैसे व्हेन इट कम्स टू द डायबिटिक मार्केट, तो डायबिटिक मार्केट एक ऐसा मार्केट है जहाँ पे सेल्फ टेस्टिंग एंड दिस ग्लूकोमीटर्स, इट हैज डन ओनली 8% ऑफ द मार्केट शेयर. 8%. and entire 92% of the market potential is lying apart, उसको कोई टच करने वाला नहीं है. तो we are means competition is in between that 8% of the capping only. तो वहां से हटके निकलना है, बाकी 92% पड़ा है. तो when it comes to the diagnostic market, we have been managing the entire means जो WHO का रिकमेंडेशन है, जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया जहाँ पे काम कर रही है, जहाँ पे अदर ब्रांड्स काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स हैं, आप भी जानते हो उनको, और जैसे उनका पोटेंशियल रीच हुआ है अब तक, द डायग्नोस्टिक्स हैज नॉट रीच्ड मोर देन 6% ऑफ द मार्केट. तो बाकी का 94% मार्केट आपके लिए खुला मैदान पड़ा है, where Microsit is going to work with you, where we are going to show you कि this is the market, आप यही टैप करो. This is the opportunity.
Sure. Very helpful, प्रमोद जी. एंड फ्रेंड्स, मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट आप सबसे रहेगा, बिकॉज बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ टाइम वी ऑलरेडी ओवरशॉट बाय अबाउट 15 odd minutes. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी आप सबसे, वी हैव अ डिस्कवरी डे जिस दिन आप एक्सक्लूसिव आधा घंटा पौना घंटा जो भी टाइम आप लगाना चाहते हैं डॉक्टर प्रमोद के साथ, हमारी टीम फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया की एक मीटिंग फिक्स कर सकती है, वर्चुअल मीटिंग कर सकती है, वेयर वी कैन टॉक अबाउट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस दैट यू माइट हैव. 4th of June है, which is next week, where we have kept as a discovery day. ये Friday पड़ता है, so almost a week from today. Anyone who's not available for that day, हम उनकी पहले या बाद में जो भी आपकी convenience हो आप बता सकते हैं. We can conclude those meetings. And everybody who's written to us, we have captured all your interests, your queries. And कोई भी ऐसी query which we have not been able to take up in this session, I will request Dr. Pramod कि हम one-to-one discussion आपके साथ करके we can address anything that might have not been taken up. So before we close, Dr. Pramod, मैं एक request करूंगी, कोई भी message सब लोगों को आप देना चाहते हैं to all aspiring entrepreneurs and maybe pharma entrepreneurs, जो भी आप देना चाहते हैं for everyone who's listening to you.
मेरा मैसेज ये रहेगा कि ये थोड़ा मिक्स्ड मैसेज है. when it comes to the आज की डेट में जहाँ पे हम खड़े हैं, जहाँ पे हम बैठे हैं, तो my first message will be in the interest of your health, कि जब तक अपने को कोई कोरोना का ये कोविड का दवा मिलता नहीं है, वैक्सीन मिलता नहीं है, तब तक घर पे रहिए, सेफ, बी सेफ। I wish everyone to be safe with your family, friends, और जैसे एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर, एज अ बिजनेसमैन, एज अ फ्रेंचाइजर, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट ये होगी कि दिस इज द मेडिकल, यहाँ पे कोई ढिलाई नहीं है, यहाँ पे कोई ढिलाई नहीं है।
Absolutely.
अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके सामने है, अपॉर्चुनिटी ले लीजिए और देखते बनिए।
Absolutely. I second that, Dr. Pramod. And I'd like to thank you. आपने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से सारे के सारे जो questions हैं हमारे audience से लिए, and you explained the business model very well. And friends, like I said, 4 जून है हमारा Discovery Day. You can reach out to us. At the same time, हमारी team भी आपसे बात करेगी. And Om Prakash ji will reach out to you for master franchise की आपकी कुछ inquiries हैं. We have captured this. We'll fix up a call with you and Dr. Pramod, and जो भी आपकी inquiries हैं, we'll take it one-to-one. So in the interest of time, friends, we'll wind the webinar for today, and I will request Rachna to kindly take it over for the closing remarks.
Sure. So thank you so much, Pramod sir, आज हमें join करने के लिए. You've been very busy, but still you got time for us. Thank you so much. We'll try to set up maximum calls with you. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for joining in today and sharing your remarks with each one of us. We would like to thank our dear participants who have shown interest. We got 41 queries from you. We'll definitely come back to you. Please reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 97176 83838. Please save this number in your phone book so that you get a regular updates from our site. Also connect with us at different social handles. Franchise India is available at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, as well as Twitter. We have the entire library created at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited for you guys to go and rewatch all the previously done webinar. You can also join Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. And we would like to invite you to join us for our 30 days, 30 cities evening show, which will start at 7 p.m., where we are inviting you for Raipur chapter. We are bringing again 5 top business opportunities from different verticals so that you can get the proper business understanding from the brand's representatives directly. So please do registration for our 7 p.m. show. And tomorrow, under Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series, we would like to invite you for our Saturday special, where we are bringing top 5 tea cafe brands, where again the team would come and talk about their different models. So do registration for today's 7 p.m. show as well as tomorrow weekend series. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Keep a very good care of your health. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Sonia ma'am.
Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
Archana.
you so much.
Thank you all.
Bye, sir.